Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about PracticePanther, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unlink or remove your Google Calendar from your PracticePanther? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink your PracticePanther from your Google Calendar anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you know that it's pretty common to switch over to a different provider. So you want to be sure to remove your Google Calendar. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your PracticePanther dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my PracticePanther, and this is the home. Now here on the home screen, if you want to unlink your Google Calendar, here on the top right, you're going to click on your name. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on Settings. All right, once you click on Settings, you're going to scroll down until you see this line right here, Calendar, Tasks, and Contacts. Once you do that, here next to the Google logo, you're going to see this red Cancel Sync button. Go ahead and click on there. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. There's no confirmation. It just automatically unsyncs your Google Calendar from your PracticePanther. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or remove your Google Calendar from your PracticePanther, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.